Watch out all you gamers, Asus, popular for its high-end gaming specs, has just launched its latest power-packed gaming smartphone in India. The new ROG phone, Asus ROG Phone 5, has got three variants. So you've got the most affordable variant, which is the ROG Phone 5, then you've got the ROG Phone Pro and the 5 Ultimate. So those are the three variants. The ROG 5 phone is the successor to last year's ROG Phone 3. The company skipped the fourth variant and jumped straight to the fifth one. But is the phone an incremental upgrade over the third one, or does it stand out on its own? Let's take a quick tour of what the phone has to offer. It comes with a 6.78 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED HDR display with a refresh rate of a whopping 144 Hz. That aside, you also get the display's protection from Corning's latest generation Gorilla Glass Victus. First up, battery. Well, that's the blockbuster feature of the phone. So a whopping 6000 mAh of battery bundled with a 65-watt fast charging adapter does wonders. It's a gaming phone, so anything less than 6000 mAh would have been a dampener. Now, the brand claims that because of the charger, the phone's battery can go from 0% to 50% in just 15 minutes. Also, it's the first time that the company has used a two-part battery system, which basically means that there are a couple of thin 3000 mAh batteries instead of a one bulky 6000 mAh of battery. Well, on the camera front, you've got the main 64 megapixel primary camera coupled with two others, a 13 megapixel and a 25 megapixel camera, now which is the same as the ROG Phone 3. So this is an upgrade over that. The selfie camera in front is at 24 megapixels, and of course, we'll let you know how those cameras function in our full review. Performance-wise, it runs on the latest Android 11 OS topped with Asus's own skin of ROG UI. And powering the phone is the flagship, the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which is a standard in all three variants. But the difference is in the RAM department, and here's what it offers. So you get 8 plus 12 GB RAM for the standard ROG Phone 5, 16 GB for the Pro, and the mind-boggling 18 GB in this Ultimate edition. But when it comes to storage, the maxed out model would go up to 512 GB. That's humongous. And guys, there's a lot else to be excited about as well. So like all the ROG phones from the past, it's also got a number of accessories. That's, I think, a great addition, especially when you're focused on your gaming. So guys, the specs till now, at least on paper, look very impressive. And to be honest, the standard variant's price at 49,999 rupees, or effectively 50,000 rupees, is a decent enough demand. And in case you want the top of the line ROG 5 Ultimate model, it'll cost you 79,999, effectively 80,000. Anyway, with these specs and pricing, we are certainly excited, but that's just an overall outlook. That's just a first look from our side. Do stay tuned to the space for a more detailed review, which will be out very, very soon. Well, this is Sumita Karir signing off. Do stay tuned to this space for everything on tech. Goodbye and thank you very much for watching.